Good morning. I'm here at the True Digital Park in Sukhumvit 101, and today we're gonna go running 101, and everything in this building is 101. And last week they opened a running track here, and it's a 540 meters track that connects the two buildings from the True Digital Park. And I just wanted to have a look at this track. So if you live in the area here, this is a perfect place to do some exercise. It opens every day at 7 o'clock. The True Digital Park itself opens at 9. So the shops are not open yet. So here, that's where the track is. So let's go up. I filmed the True Digital Park for Global Travel Mate like half a year ago, I think. And then the second part wasn't open yet, but now it's all open. So besides the track, I can just show you the whole project now. The 101 track, which is one floor up. And if you don't want to use the track, of course you can come here to the Virgin Active. Virgin Active is probably the biggest fitness company in Bangkok at the moment. I don't know how many offices they have, but quite a lot. Open from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m.
Front door is opening.
So here we are. This is actually a very similar setup as the bicycle track that you have around the airport. The only difference is you cannot go with your bike on here. It's actually pretty cool. Welcome to the 101 track. So let's do it official and start from the actual starting point. Here we go from the start. So it's 540 meters long, and there are two tracks. There is a fast lane and a slow lane. And now I can do like this and then pretend that I'm in the fast lane and just double the speed of my video. But I am a true YouTuber. I film exactly how it is. I came here with my bicycle, so I already did my exercise. So here you have the buildings of the Wisdom 101, which is a big condo project. Here you can find a good priced studio or one bedroom apartment. And to having a track like this next door is nice as well. Yeah, maybe I should come back one time in the evening and make a full video about the whole location here. The Digital Park 101 is like an office building. There are a lot of shared offices in here, and it's like a project perfect for digital nomads. So a lot of people, they live in these buildings here, and then they have the true digital park where they can have their office. It's about 7:15 now. So this is the new part of the building. Let's call it the new extension. And there in the center you have the 101 Park. I mean, marketing-wise, it's a perfect name, right? This is Bangkok 101, running 101. If you make a bakery here, you could call it baking 101. See, on the floor you always have the meters, so you know exactly how much you run. So one round is 540 meters, so if you do two, it's easy to make a couple of kilometers here. The floor is just normal concrete, so it's not padded or something. Here you see the Punawiti BTS station, so you can take the BTS to Punawiti, which is right here. And then you can walk straight in here. See, quite a few people are already using it. Yes, line. I will probably upload this video today. Today is the 5th of October. It's Wednesday, and I just wanted to do a morning bike ride, so I came here with a bicycle to do some exercise and give you guys an update. And then I was thinking I can also mention our meetup that we'll have this weekend. So this weekend, Saturday the 8th of October, me and Retired Working For You, Chris, are gonna do a meetup where it's like a meet and greet. Anybody can come and say hi. And this is gonna be at Lush in Sukhumvit Soy 11. That's on top of the Hemingway's restaurant. So if you want to come and say hi to us, then feel free to join. The first 200 people get a free drink, and then after that it's 100 baht for a beer and 100 baht for the house wine. So we're almost at the end of the trek. Yeah, I think it's cool. It's a cool project. Okay, when I started, I was actually wondering what this area is, but this seems to be a pit stop area. So you can park yourself in here if you need a little bit of time to recuperate from your round. Okay, these are kids' games. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the running track 101 in Bangkok. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.